Do you want to collect data from websites or any other sources? Are you planning to grow your business by adding more valuable data on your platform? Or you want to extract data from various sources and analyze it to make a right decision? Datascrape.us is here to help you. We help you to collect data and deliver in a right format you need. Get easy access to valuable data and grow your business much faster. Scrape data to know about market trends, product and services research, lead generation, understand customer sentiment, track stock performances, competitor analysis, and many more. How do we work? Our data engineers will analyze your data needs and check the feasibility, create crawling codes, and run in our cloud server. Once completed, data will be delivered to you in your inbox or by cloud storage link or in your preferred location. Our pricing. Our Easy Plan Single Run will help you to extract data one time from any source. If you have to extract data regularly, you can use our Scheduled package. And if you have a large-scale extraction projects, reach out to our customer support for Enterprise package. If you have a unique requirements, reach to our customer support and get a custom package. Data is a new gold. Collect it and make it more valuable. Our website, datascrape.us. Contact us to get started.